Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about cloning your repo. So last time when we made our repo, it was in GitLab. So that's typically what we call our remote repo. And instead of GitLab, it could also be things like GitHub or whatever platform you decide to use. So the process of cloning is making a copy of this remote repo, which is what we call a local repo, and that will exist on your PC. And you could have several different users that have their own copies on their PC. Okay. So the process of cloning it, you go to this clone button and you can hit clone with HTTPS. And typically what you want is you could choose a folder you want. So I'm going to put this clone repo in Git here. So if I right click and do git bash here, so I could type right here, I could do git clone, and then I could paste this and hit enter. So once I git clone this, you can see that it has finished. Then my folder is right here. Okay, so when you start working with this repo, there's different ways to do this, but I typically like to just do open with code. And then here we will have our main repo opened in Visual Studio's code in our main folder. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.